Hello, here we are in Port Gaverne, just down the road from Port Isaac, which is just over the top of this hill and actually is the town in the foreground on the cliff there. Port Gaverne is actually the smaller town right over here. It's a little bit lesser known, but has a wonderful coastal walk that's about a half-mile jaunt from there. It gives you an amazing overlook on a rock peninsula. You can see there's some fishing going on out here. It's a lovely place to bring a picnic. You can do a very cheap lunch. You stop at a local co-op or Tesco and pick up a couple of sandwiches and a couple of drinks. You can sit out on this wonderfully thick grass here and just listen to the waves, the gulls. Very beautiful place. This is a good time of year in early October here where it's still quite pleasant weather, but you avoid a lot of the tourists. Frees up a lot of the parking areas, and the water is very warm. Our surfing excursion earlier today turned out wonderfully. However, we're quite exhausted now, so I think we're just going to sit down and listen to the sea for a bit.